Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to model this twist vase in SolidWorks. Let's get started. Create a plane. Select the top plane as a reference. Set the distance to 500 and the quantity to 3. Then create a new sketch on the top plane. Draw a polygon. Set the size of the polygon to 12. Set the diameter to 400. And make the bottom point and the 0 point to be vertical. Then create a new sketch on this plane. Draw a polygon. Set the diameter to 800. Also make the bottom point and the 0 point to be vertical. Then create a new sketch on the plane 2. Also draw a polygon. And set the diameter to 320. And make these 2 points to be vertical. Then create the fourth sketch. Here just convert the last sketch. Okay, now we have 4 sketches. Hide the planes. Then go Features, go to Loft Boss. Select 4 sketches. Here we can move these control points to make a twist, but this time I will not use it. Okay. Next, we go to Insert, go to Features, and select Flex, and select the body. To check twisting, and set the twist degree to 90. Okay, that's it. Next, we will fillet the edges and connect the other edges. Then go to Shell, select the top face. Then go fillet again. Select the top face and the bottom face to fillet the edges. Set the radius to 3. That's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.